Hey guys, in today's video we are going to see how to make a peppermint coaster. So for this coaster we would need a white and green yarn or white and red yarn. So and the crochet hook that suits the yarn. Here I am taking 2.5 mm crochet hook, and we need scissors which we would be using at the end. So let's get started. So first take the white yarn and make a magic ring. So if you are a beginner, you can just check out my videos on crochet basics. So I will provide you the link in the description box as well. So here I've just completed the magic circle. So after that we just have to make double crochet. In total 12 double crochet we need to make here. So this is the first double crochet I'm working, and then the second double crochet, then the third double crochet into the magic ring. So continue to do the remaining 9 double crochets into the magic circle. So here I have completed 12 double crochets, and I'm gonna close this first round. So for that, insert the crochet hook into the chain of the first DC and then create a slip stitch here. So now we are going to start with round 2. For round 2, create chain 3, and then make a double crochet into the same chain space where we created chain 3. Then make 2 double crochet into the next chain space. So for round 2 we have to create 2 double crochet in each of the chain space. So this is the pattern for round 2. So continue to do this pattern all throughout this round. So in total we need to have 24 double crochet at the end of this round. So I'll meet you at the end of this round. So here I have completed the round 2, and I'm going to make a slip stitch onto the third chain, and thereby completing round 2. So next we are going to start with round 3, where we'll create chain 3 again, and this is considered as first double crochet. Into the same chain space create 1 double crochet. So and then into the next chain space create 1 double crochet, and then into the next chain create 2 double crochet. So for round 3 the pattern is 2 1 2 1. So we have to increase at the beginning, increase in the sense we have to add 2 double crochet in one chain space, followed by 1 double crochet in the next chain space, and then an increase means 2 double crochet in one chain space. So this is the pattern all throughout this round, and continue to do this pattern. I'll meet you at the end of this row. So here I have completed round 3, and I'm going to make a slip stitch into the chain 3, third chain of the first stitch. So we have completed the coaster pattern, I mean the base pattern. So with this pattern we are going to make the peppermint format here. So for that we would prefer a red color yarn, but I'm going to show you with the green yarn. For that, make chain 5 with the white yarn, So once chain 5 is done, you can pull the loop a little bit, and then into the next chain insert the hook, bring in the second color. So you can choose any color, either red or green. So bring in the second color, and then form a chain here. So this way we can secure this second color, and then start creating chain 5. So in a similar fashion, just pull the string of the green yarn and remove the crochet hook. Now let's insert the crochet hook into the next chain space. That is, we were working with green yarn, right? So into the next chain space, insert the hook and bring in the white yarn. That is, we have just completed 5 chains, right? And then make a slip stitch there. It's not a slip stitch, sorry, it's a chain. Then continue to create 5 chains here. This chain 3, chain 4 and chain 5, and then pull the loop a little bit longer and remove the hook. Now we have to bring in the second color, that is green color, and in this process obviously the two threads get tangled, but we have to keep clearing them as well. So find the next chain space and insert the crochet hook, and then pull the loop of the green yarn and yarn over and pull through, just creating a chain. And then we have to create 5 chain stitch here. So once 5 chain is done, remove the hook and then insert the hook into the next chain, and bring in the white loop. So you can just pull the working yarn of white loop and bring in through the chain, and then create a chain here, that is the slip stitch. Then we have to create 5 chain. So this is the pattern of the peppermint coaster. So as you can see, it is going to form the pattern very beautifully. So continue to do this pattern and I'll meet you at the end of this round. Just make sure to clear the tangle that's been formed in this pattern, so that will be easier to do the crocheting. So now we have completed this round, that is the 4th round with the peppermint pattern. So here the pattern is complete with the green yarn. I'm just gonna pull through the green yarn and make a chain stitch here, and then this completes the pattern, as you can see. So green and white are in alternate position. So let's just trim the yarn and then start working at the flip side of the coaster. For the finishing part, insert the hook from the back side and try to pull the loop of the green yarn or the white yarn. Pull it through the other side. and then leave about 2 to 3 inches and cut off the yarn. So similarly bring the white yarn and then pull about 2 inches, cut the yarn. So now we are going to work at the back side. So for that you can use a crochet hook or a sewing needle. So I'll show you how to finish this. So once you bring in the yarns on the flip side, just insert the hook into the adjacent loops and try to bring the tail ends through them, and repeat this process for about 4 to 5 times until the thread gets hidden at the flip side. Then you can trim the excess yarn. So this is how you can hide the tail ends and give a neat finishing. So with this, the peppermint coaster pattern is complete. As you can see, it has come out really well. The stitches are showing up very nicely. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends and family if you really like this pattern and the video tutorial. I'll see you in the next interesting tutorial. Until then, bye bye from Uma, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.